tweet, quite unique, letting me know what I'm allowed to eat. In a tick, I'll be right back. I just have to do this and just have to do that. I'll just be a tick and I'll be back thinking of food and takeaway. How about that? Thanks. Then that I had no cash, no money, no gold on hand. The sun had gone from our digital land. What is the price for just one slice? It came to mind, which meant I had to go through the door, and then I'd have to identify as being an outsider. After all, in a day, in the broad light, after watching all the Sky News at night, I was aware there was danger in the meat is not right. I don't know, I do wanna go down the bright light and follow that yellow road. The padded cell is perfect, better than going to hell. As I was thinking of what to eat, my phone beat, tweet, 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 quite unique, letting me know what I'm allowed to eat. Take away near Domino's, I thought, let me think what is near. Take away has always been my vice, not my advice, and I've seen the community grow and the selection, so I can have whatever I desire at any time. I cry, I want things. Then that I had no duty, no cash, no money, no gold on hand. The sun had gone from our digital land. Everything or someone gonna die. Oh dear, oh my, the West has left and tried Indonesia tonight. In the daylight I could only see plastic colors, bright, sharp imagery, flashing of people traveling through the street, skimming pockets, digital appetite is complete. As I was thinking of what to eat, my phone beat, tweet, 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 quite unique, letting me know what I'm allowed to eat. Then the decision of what to eat, Indian, Thai, Chinese, but on the other street, the Japanese is such a treat. You know the sushi, yes, raw fish meat, a steak, Piazzi pub, lunch is often nice. Steaks are a bit of a high price. I remember the days from the farm, we could eat steak all day and drink in the barn. Then that I had no duty, no cash, no money, no gold on hand. The sun had gone from my digital land. I don't know, I do wanna go down that bright light, follow that yellow road. The padded cell is perfect, better than going to hell. So now it's all about work and pay, subscription, addiction, TV all day, government subsidies, paperwork, but it could all just go away. As I was thinking of what to eat, my phone beat, tweet, 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 quite unique, letting me know what I'm allowed to eat. Thanks. Then that I had no cash, no money, no gold on hand. The sun had gone from a digital land. The wind was still, it had been for years. The clouds from the volcanoes haven't been coming down like sheets of acid rain, making it look like you got tears. So I quickly dug back inside to escape, and I'm back a bit late. The news is on. Hey, that's my grade. Someone follow me. What should I do? My digital footprint for 3. I don't know who. What is the news? What is a scanner? No free. I don't know. I do wanna go down that bright